that's what my dad wanted to do, right?
Yep.
So I'm going and I got a hook. Exactly what?
What do you have to say, Nash?
Huh? Huh?
No, I was trying to see if Nash wanted to say something for our video.
I see that.
You see that? Show them your boo-boo. How did you get that boo-boo?
I was in this trampoline, and then what did I get?
Skin burn.
A skin bug.
Yeah. All right, we'll see you guys on the beach. Maybe if we stop somewhere. Hey, Mama.
We're just having a snack right now.
What are we having?
Some fucking.
And then what are we gonna do after the snack break?
We're gonna go mini golfing.
Yeah.
How what was it, Daddy?
5 minutes, maybe.
5 minutes, probably.
Tell everyone where we're at.
Okay, and that's the mini golfing place. It's so loud and okay, right?
Yeah. Okay, Maze, what are we doing?
We all golfing and this is my girlfriend.
Okay, we're mini golfing. What course did you pick?
Mine.
Okay, let's go.
It's your ball now.
Okay, let's go to the next one.
And who wins?
Okay, next. What did you say? Oh, whoa. Okay. It's okay if this one doesn't have the castle. Oh, that one. Yeah, that one's next. Okay, go Nash, your turn. Almost. Okay, my turn. Oh, that was hard. Okay. There you go. Good job, buddy. I think you're leading.
I think 10.
Nashi's turn. Daddy and Nashi's turn. Look. Ah. Yeah, you can get Nashi's.
No, like in the race. Oh, no.
Okay, keep going, Nash.
No, like if somebody dropped it and forgot it. No, I'm gonna
Put it in the hole, Nash. There you go. Look. Okay, put it in there. Yeah, put it in the hole. Look. Yay! Good job, Nashi.
Okay, take it.
Okay, let's go. Next one. Nice, good job.
Two.
Okay, that's turn. I think you're in the lead.
If you get it right in the middle, that's where you get a lot of points.
Look,
Okay, let's start again.
we has to go this way.
It's in the way.
It has to cross the wishing well. And then go through here and there. Okay, Mace, go for it. Oh, almost. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Oh, that was close.
Let Mama give it a good whack.
Mama's gonna give it a good whack. Okay, look, Mama's turn. Where'd it go?
Oh, it got stuck. It went back out. I gave it to her back.
Just put it through.
No.
Hold on, Mama's gonna give it a good whack.
Mama.
Okay.
Hey, watch out, Mace. Watch out. Mama's. Watch out. Get out of the way. No. Mama's gonna. There you go. Oh man. What happened, Nash?
I said basketball.
Okay, your turn, Mama.
Okay.
Oh, hey, Nash. You got it, Mace. Oh no, don't do it. 28 points for you? Here, Nash, try. Whoa, good job. Put it in the hole.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Cross it, right?
What are we doing now, Mace?
Let's go cross the bridge. Come on. We are crossing the bridge.
Whoa.
Ew.
Ew. Dog poop. Ew.
Ew, don't let school.
Good job, Nashi. Get it. Okay, now Coco, look, it's the big castle. Oh no! I got it. Here.
Yeah, I'm just gonna. I'm not gonna puck it. I'm gonna puck it up.
Okay.
Can I give it a whack?
Give it a good whack, Mama. Okay.
Okay, let's fix your band-aid. Let's fix your band-aid.
Where'd it go? Where did you put it?
I put it in though.
Oh, check the inside of it.
No.
Oh, right there. Hole in one.
Hole in
Hole in one.
Mommy, we both got hole in one. Mommy.
Hole in one, Mama.
One.
Yeah.
One. Look.
Yeah.
Wait, where did that blow come from?
Yeah, hole in one.
We all got hole in one. What did that say?
Hole in one.
We all won.
Hole in one. There you go. What did you say? Look. Elephant in the water, Nash. Look. Okay, what hole are we on, Mace?
The big one.
Oh, we're in this one. The pirate ship! Yeah. Nice. Good job.
29, right?
Yep.
29.
Okay, Mama's turn. Look.
Thank you, Nat.
Justin Bieber. Come on.
Good job.
We're done here, and then we're gonna head to the video. We're just gonna go to the video for a little bit, right?
Where?
We're going to the beach now. We're done here, and then right now we're just gonna close the video for a little bit.
Okay. See you at the beach.
See you at the beach.
Come closer. I can't hear you.
We're at the beach now.
Tell them which beach we're in. Yeah.
Ew, ow. Well, we're gonna go in. What?
Yeah, we'll see what's in there. Okay, let Dada go in first. I think so. Come here. Come check it out. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, Mace, what are we doing? Where? Yeah, right there. Yeah. He's walking on water, guys. Look. Okay, we're here at the rocks. Mason, tell everybody where we're at.
Huh?
Where are we?
We are at the rock now.
Look at this. We gotta go fast, okay?
Until the tide goes back out.
Oh no.
But let Dada check first. Whoa!
Okay, we gotta go fast, okay?
I don't think we should go that way, Mama. I don't know how, like, what's on the other side, you know?
Did I just see it? It goes out? But...
Let me see. I'll go look.
And me, right?
Hold on.
Stay with Mama.
We're gonna go look at what's on the other side here.
Okay, go look.
Did those people go?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's wait until the... No, not yet, Mama. Not yet.
Oh, no.
Okay, let's go, Mace.
Mason, come on.
Hurry, Mason. Yeah. Come on, come on. Hurry, hurry. Okay, go, 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 go. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Hurry. We made it.
Hey.
Wait, is this the end of the it?
You can't go farther than that because the seal's not there.
Yeah. Are they there?
Yeah.
We can go look. Okay, tell everyone we made it over the rocks.
We made it over the rocks. Wow.
Hi, Nashi. Hi, Nash. Come look, Mace. Go like this. Both hands.
I'm gonna go dance to it.
Okay. Go. You can go into it. Yeah, go into it. Yeah, that's fine, yeah. Just step on the okay. Wow. Nice. You wanna play with them? Yeah.
We are heading back.
We gotta pause for TV.
Pause your TV.